On the takeoff roll, holy moly, look at that. He pushed all the blood going to his brain. That was a 4G push as he goes up high. Wait for the airspeed to bleed off. 1, 2, the double hammerhead. Today we're excited to welcome Rob Holland, an accomplished pilot who began flying in 1992. He has over 14,000 flight hours and experience in more than 180 different types of aircraft. He has a diverse background in aviation, including working as a flight instructor, banner tow pilot, commuter airline pilot, and corporate pilot. His list of accomplishments is absolutely incredible. Let me read you a couple of them. 5-time world freestyle aerobatic champion, 11-time and current U.S. national aerobatic champion, 12-time and current U.S. freestyle aerobatic champion. Wow, to say the least. Now the airplane he's flying here is that one-off MXSRH, designed and built specifically for Rob Holland. Oh, baby, look at that. He calls that the mid-band. Rolling the airplane around, even at that slow airspeed. He has got tons of rolling capabilities. Onto the vertical there. Going up and up and up, airspeed is bleeding off, there's the kick. Right to knife edge to inverted point goals on the way down. Another. He calls that the Cardiac Express. Tumbling the airplane, nose over tail. Now you might be thinking that the airplane is out of control. It is not. Rob Holland knows exactly where it's going to end up every time. Onto the vertical again. Notice how crisp this airplane responds to. Onto the vertical again because of the monster fire-breathing engine in this airplane, which has got about 385 horsepower in it. He's got vertical penetration out the wazoo. This airplane climbs like a homesick angel. Got the nose up, hanging on the propeller. Virtually zero airspeed, and he's hanging her on the prop. Nothing but horsepower and thrust, keeping that airplane in the sky.